How to change your profile picture on Truecaller app. So let's change the profile picture on Truecaller app. So first go to your apps and then search for Truecaller, tap on it, and then here you will have your Truecaller app. So what you have to do is on the left upper corner you will have a profile icon. Tap on that, and then here you will have your profile. So if you have not completed your profile, then you can complete your profile by tapping on that complete your profile. And if you want to upgrade your profile to premium, you can tap on upgrade to premium, and then it will show you the offers. And you can do a lot of things from here. You can also see who viewed your profile. So to change profile picture, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon, and then here it will ask you to add photo. So you will have three options. You can just take a photo right now, or you can select from gallery, or you can remove your current photo. If you want to change your profile picture, or you can remove your current profile picture, then you can just go and tap on any one of these, and then you can change your profile picture. So this is how you change a profile picture on Truecaller app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.